morning to everybody. Good morning, children. Hello. How are you, children? I think all are fine by the God grace. So, welcome to online classes. Because of this pandemic COVID situation, the government decided to conduct online classes. So, since June 12th, we are conducting online classes for the academic year 2021 and 22. Let's once again welcome to our online classes. Let us once again welcome to our class children. Are you okay? Yes, very good. Now I will tell a small story to you. So, all are ready? Story. The story name is The King and the Elephant. The King and the Elephant. Okay. Once upon a time, there is a big animal, that is elephant. So, all of you saw the elephant. And this is the elephant. This is not the real elephant. This is only the toy. So, but elephant is the biggest animal on the land. Isn't it or not? So, this is the biggest animal on the land. So, this animal, elephant, is very close friend to the king. So, the king and elephants are very close to each other in everywhere. In kingdom and as well as the battlefield. So, whenever the king wants to fight with other kings, other kingdom, he must travel with the friend of elephant. Whenever they both are in the middle of the battlefield, they never return with the failure. Always they had victory. Like that, they are happy with the elephant, and elephant is also happy with the king. So many years pass like this. After some years, the elephant become older. The elephant become older. So the king felt that the elephant takes some rest. So he ordered the soldiers to bring to the forest. So the elephant is also obey the king's order, and he take the permission of the king and he went to the forest. But the soldiers also behind with the help to help the elephant, because that is the king's animal. That is the king's animal. After some days, the elephant want to drink water. When he go to drink the water near the lake is full of mud. That animal doesn't observe that, and he tried to drink the water, and within that he dig in the mud and he struck in the mud. So after some time he is going to dig in the middle of the lake. So the soldiers and others are very afraid of that situation. Then some soldiers went to the kingdom and says that is sir, Prabhu, like that. He prayed the kings, that is your animal is in dangerous situation, that is struck in the middle of the mud and he can't pulled out of the lake. So then the king is in pandemic. He felt very sad. My animal is going to die. Then he ordered the soldiers, bring with the battalion, everybody go and must save my animal. Then after this time, a minister who is an wise minister gave an idea to bring the elephant in this situation. The minister says that make the sound of the battle, that is create the situation of the battlefield, then definitely the elephant will come across this situation. Then the soldiers make the drums sound very loudly, loudly, loudly. After some time, there is a sudden change in the mind of the elephant. There is a sudden change in the mind of the elephant's mindset. He observed the sound of the drums and there is a sudden change in his mindset and he tried to come across that situation. After try and try, he reached his goal. That is, after 10 minutes and 20 minutes, the elephant by his own, he come across the lake and he solved the problem by itself. So here, why I am telling this story means, here there is a moral. By moral we have to observe. Here in this story, the elephant not afraid of the situation. He struggled for himself. He is not older by the physically. He is only physically older, not mentally. Everybody needs enthusiasm, happy and determination and dedication. Whenever we have the courage to face any problem, like the elephant, we can come across any bad situation. For example, let us take this COVID situation. We are very afraid of this situation, but we can't lose our courage, because when you lose our courage and enthusiasm, definitely we can not survive the next future. But we always fight for our future generation. So let us children not to be afraid of this situation. We should be very cautious and we should have enthusiasm and courage. With the happy habits and happy moments, we come across any situation in this way. So children, have you observed this story and note it in your mind? So don't lose your courage whenever in difficult situation. Okay. So here in this story, the elephant is like a lion. He cannot afraid of his situation and he always very happy after this situation. The king also felt very, very, very happy. So this is the moral of this story. Everybody, we should be very happy. Whenever we happy, definitely we come across situation, any bad situation. Okay, children, are you like this story? I think everybody like the story. You are my lions. Is it or not? Not lions. That is, here the lion is our beloved elephant. Okay, you are also lions or not? Yes, you are our lovely lions. Lovely lions. Okay, very good. All are very good in our classes. So once again, let us come to a general topic for 7th class, that is about some great people. So that is, whenever you are ill, where you go? Yes, somebody says doctor. Very good. When you are in ill, you must go to consult the doctor. So doctor will solve our problems. So doctors are great people to save our world. Like that. So after the great position of the doctor means here scientist. Here who are they? Scientists. Who are they? Scientists. So scientist is such a great person who can solve any problems in the world. Is it or not? In this situation also, the doctors are very helpful. This is the main role of the scientist in the society. That is, society means where we all live together. Is it or not? So okay children, so now I am going to tell about some of the greatest scientist in our world. So let us recall the pictures of the scientist. Have you observed this picture? Very good. Here the picture of the scientist. Okay children, observe carefully. How many members are there? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many scientists are there? 6 members. Very good. So have you observed the first person? Okay, everybody, I think everybody can recognize him. He is none other than our beloved ex-President of India. Who is that person? APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Everybody note it down in your notebooks. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He is such a great person of our India. He is very proud of our India. He is pride of our country, India. So he invented the rockets, launching of satellites, Aryabhatta, like this, so many satellites for our regarding this area. So that's why he is a good scientist for the improvement and development of the satellite system. And our India also give the honorable good position, and he honorable with a president with presidency. Now he is no more in our India, but he is always within our mind and in the country itself. He is the great son of our Bharata Mata, that is Abdul Kalam Garu. We must salute everybody. Is it or not? Next person is C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman is the second scientist. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. He is the one and only one person who got the first Nobel Prize from our country in the case of physics subject, in the physics category, with only cost of 200 rupees. So imagine how they try to get the new invention and how they proved the pride of our country. So that is C.V. Raman. That is C.V. Raman. He belongs to our country and he do his experiments in the case of physics subject. Next, the evergreen subject, that is mathematics. Regarding the mathematics, he is Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan. He is only C.V. Raman. He is Srinivasa Ramanujan. The Srinivasa Ramanujan is such a great scientist, that is the math scientist. He loved only math. He doesn't know the other subject. He only do the experiments with the math itself only. And he is a great math, we call a great C.V. Raman number, that is 1729. That is the number given to that person. So these are which country people? Our Indian country. How many peoples are there? How many scientists are there? Exactly correct. 3 members. 3 members. Next, 1 member is math subject and 1 member is physics subject and 1 member is satellite sector. Okay. Next, children, observe the downside of the picture. That is, in the downside of the picture, these 3 peoples are not belongs to our country. They are belongs to other countries. The 4th person is Albert Einstein. The 4th person is Albert Einstein. So you have to write Albert Einstein. Next, Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton. The sixth person is Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming. These are the six great scientists. They discover new things to the world and they do the best for the sake of mankind. For the sake of mankind. These are the philanthropists. That is, who can save for the sake of mankind. They are called philanthropists. These scientists are very great people. Very great people. Is it or not? So, how many members are there? 6 members. Albert Einstein is a physics subject scientist. Physics subject scientist. He have a greatest IQ power in the world. His mind, that is the brain, is preserved till today. He has a more than normal man cannot have such a mind. He have a more than 140 IQ power. And Isaac Newton, who discovered the force, that is the gravitational force. So we are stand here, that is we are on the earth. We are traveling on the earth. But without the gravitational force, if in case, imagine that if there is no gravitational force, we will fly like a birds. Is it that? But according to the Newton's law, there is a gravitational force to the earth. That's why the earth is rotating and it's doing work within and circle with the sun also. But according to the gravitational force, we are sit here, stand here, dance here, whatever it may be. So that law will be introduced by Isaac Newton. Next, not but the least, the sixth scientist, the Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming is a first person who invented the first biotic insulin. That is penicillin. That is called penicillin. That is called penicillin. The penicillin is the first antibiotic who invented and who introduced to this world. This is the first antibiotic into the world. That was introduced by the greatest person, the Alexander Fleming. The Alexander Fleming. So in this, all the people, that is Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Alexander Fleming, C.V. Raman, these 4 members got the Nobel Prize. Which prize? Nobel Prize. Which prize they got? They got Nobel Prize. So, why I am stress this prize means this is the greatest prize in the world. Which is the greatest prize in the world? Children, Nobel Prize. Our beloved scientists C.V. Raman, Einstein, Newton and Fleming, these got the greatest prize. Which prize? The Nobel Prize. And one more thing is there, the Rabindranath Tagore, in the case of literature, literature means stories and there is some more regarding the languages. He is the one and only one person who got the first Nobel Prize from our India, that is our ancient continent. He is received the first Nobel Prize, and after that our C.V. Raman received second Nobel Prize. So all of you observe this and note it down carefully. Very good. Next, so first just recall some small comprehension passages. Why I call this type of comprehension questions will give up to 10th class. They will give some passages and ask some questions. You have to write the answers very easily. When you observe and try to understand the question, it will be very easy to write the question with the WH words. All of you know about the WH words. That is what, why, where, which, when. With this we can frame sentences. So how many members are there? What is the name of the scientist? Who invented the penicillin, like that you can frame the questions easily. Okay, so you have to make this type of questions for any paras. Next class I will ask them to, I will check your notes and ask the questions about this scientist. Once again, all of you note down the questions. So how many scientists are there? Who are Indian scientists? Who are foreign country scientists? And who received a Nobel Prize? Like that, we have to frame the question. That is, how many members Indian scientists? How many Indian scientists are there? Like that, we have to frame the question. And who got the first Nobel Prize from our country? Like that, you have to mention and frame small questions. So if you have any doubts, next class I will clarify your doubts. First, try and write down your classes. Don't lose your enthusiasm. Don't lose your any type of that is discourage. When you have encouragement, definitely you can reach a good position for next future. Okay? Okay, very good, my dear children. Is now. So in this we have a good exercise is there, that is to frame the questions and how to frame the questions with this. So once again I will tell you how to frame the questions with the simple words. We know about our Indian scientists. Like this, we can know about other scientists. That is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. So Albert Einstein is a great scientist. He do experiments in the physics department. He very much interested in physics. That's why he do experiment in that category. And he is not a normal man like us. That is, and physically, he had a great mind. Why I call great mind is, everybody has a certain physical dimensions of the mind, but his mind, that is in the brain has more IQ than other scientists. That's why after the death of the Einstein, the doctor bring out of the mind of the Albert Einstein, and he preserved and do the experiment. Why he has such a great power, and how can he introduce that type of inventions? So to know, the doctor observed the mind with some chemicals, and he preserved with the mind of the Einstein, and he do the experiment. After the experiment, the doctor said that Einstein mind is not a normal mind. It has more IQ power. That's why he is such a great scientist. So like this, he invented everything. For example, we are using so much of electric instruments. Is it a TV, fridge, motor, like this? These phenomena for each and every electronic instruments, the phenomena behind is whose phenomena? Albert Einstein phenomena. Albert Einstein phenomenon. Okay. He is a great physics scientist. So children, note it down. So Albert Einstein, physics scientist. Now we are using so much of electric goods. Without electronic instrument, our daily life can't be fulfilled. We are using each and everything in that case. These are invented by the one and only. These inventions are considered by only Albert Einstein phenomena. is a great person to the world. He is a gifted children to the world. Is it or not? Imagine, for example, he doesn't introduce that type of instrument. How he can live happily today? Is it or not? Everything will be provided in this world because of the sacrificing of the scientists, sacrificing of the scientists' lives to the world. Okay, next. So let's write small questions. That is how to frame small questions regarding in this matter. So all of you write with me. So first, okay, how many scientists are there? How many scientists are there? Is it done? How many scientists are there? So you can easily write down these questions. That is, we can easily frame this type of questions. How many means count for any type of questions. That is, for example, if they give the table, we can count it and note down the number. 5 or like that. 5 or 6 or 3 or like that. Is it done? It's very easy. This is a common question for any comprehensive paragraph. In the previous class also, in the 6th class also, you have to frame this type of questions. For the, you have to write down the answers for this question. Is it or not? So this is very, very important. Why? Because when you understand the passage and their questions, comprehension questions, it will be very easy to write down the answers simply. Is it or not? Next, we can frame some more questions. Next, children, have you next prepared second question? Very good. How many Indian scientists are there? How many Indian scientists are there? How many members are there?
D.
How many members are there? How many members are there? So 3. I have to frame like this. Full line. I have to frame sentences. Not just put like this. Only 3. So this is not the complete answer. So listen carefully. This is a mistake commonly you have to done your examinations while in unit test and formative 1 and formative 2 like this. So, but you have to don't write the single line word. You have to write down the complete sentence. 3 members like this. 3 members are our Indian scientists. Or you can write in some other way. That is, our Indian scientists are 3 members. So you have to write in this way or in that way as usual. Next question. Who is the ex-president who is our president in this picture? Okay. Who is our ex-president in this picture? In this picture. Okay. Who is that person? APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam Garu is our president of India. He is our president of India. Is it or not? Yes. Very good. Can I rub it? Okay, all of you note it down or not? So I will rub the board. Next, one important question. Do you want to become a scientist? Do you want to become a scientist? So yes, very good, very good. You are also become a scientist or not? Yes, everybody, every child is a good scientist from our India. Everybody should try to become a good scientist. Everybody likes you, like Kalamgar. Is it or not? Very good. Why you want to become a scientist? Now you answer. Why you want to become a scientist? This is very important. Why you want to become a scientist? Who will tell this? Who will tell the answer for this question? Why you want to become a scientist? Why you want to become a scientist? Yes.
Think 1 minute.
Why you want to become a scientist? So think once again. Discuss with your friends. Why you want to become a scientist? Why you want to become a great person in the world? Great person in the world. So why these people invented something? This will be very good help to each other. So that is to save the world, to save people, to save people. That is to save world, to create a good country. That is to create a good world for the people. Yes, to save the people is very good character. That is every scientist should have. That's why they do like this. That is they do anything, that is the small things in a good way. That is the best character for the scientist. That's why they become a great person and do their work sincerely, and they sacrifice life to our country, not only the country, to the world also. That's why the world also honored with their Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize. So with the Nobel Prize also we can frame question. So write down, think that. Okay, very good. So how many members received Nobel Prize? Note it down. How many members received Nobel Prize? How many members received Nobel Prize? Or I write the blank on board or you note down? Okay. I will write on the blackboard also. So before that you have to frame the question. Before that you have to frame question. So how many scientists received? This is important to frame the question. How many members received which prize? Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize. How many members received Nobel Prize? So I will not write the answer. You have to only write the answer. So how many scientists received Nobel Prize? Very good. You have to write 4 members received Nobel Prize. Here the answer is also in this question itself. Is it or not? How many? Instead of how many you have to write 4 members received Nobel Prize. Very good, very good. So with this word also we can frame another question. Which question? Like what is your name, like that. So which is greatest prize? Which is greatest prize in the world? Which is greatest prize in the world? I already told. Which is the greatest prize in the world? Nobel Prize. Which is the Greatest prize in the world, Nobel. So instead of which, you have to write which word. That is Nobel Prize. That's why English is very easy. English is very easy language or not? Very good. So which, instead of which, I have to write Nobel Prize is the greatest prize in the world. Nobel Prize is the greatest prize in the world. Very good. Next. So which is the greatest prize? You have to already written, na? Very good. So next. Are they special? Are they special people? Or normal? Are they special people or normal people? Are they special people or normal people? So, have any doubt? So, I think madam said that special. Special means some more qualities, like not like that. Everybody has the same physical structure, like head, hands, legs, and common usual man. So they also, that is who? The scientist. Or the scientist also normal man or some other, that is 4 hands, 4 legs, 2 minds, like this? No. So they are also normal people with special quality. Is it or not? They are also normal people like us, but they are done works specially. That's why they become scientists and we are all normal people. But my wish is you also become a special child for me. You also become a special child to your mother. Is it or not? So, are they special people or normal people? Yes, you have to write the answer. They are which people? Special people. They are special people. They are special people, not like our normal people. Okay, so write carefully. Write carefully. So while writing, you have to maintain capital letter here. At the end of the question, you have to write the full stop. These are the 2 main important points while writing the question and answers. The first, start with capital letter and end with the point, and there is no special letters. First word only, start with capital letter. These are, and for every word you have to give a relevant space, not too much of space. So they are special people. Next, write down next question, frame next question. So, shall I rub the board? Okay. Okay, ma. Next, children. Next. Who is the first? Who is the first person received Nobel Prize? Nobel Prize in India. Who received the first person? Who is the first person received Nobel Prize in India? Nobel Prize in India. That is regarding physics subject. Regarding physics. I already told. So, the first person who received the Nobel Prize, not only India, from the ancient continent, in the case of literature, he is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. So, for his Jana Gana Mana, in the case of literature, Rabindranath Tagore received the first Nobel Prize from our ancient country. But here, what is the question? Who is the first person received Nobel Prize from our India? Sorry, from India. From India in physics subject. In physics subject. So, who is that person? C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. C.V. Raman is the first is the first person received Nobel Prize from which country? Very good. From our great country. It is India. So C is the capital letter. C.V. Raman is the first person received Nobel Prize from our country, India. From our country, India. We must be very proud. Is it or not? So that's why we call C.V. Raman the pride of India. C.V. Raman, the pride of India. We can also call that APJ Abdul Kalam, the pride of India. C.V. Raman, the pride of India. Srinivasa Ramanujam, the pride of India. Who can do great things for the sake of our country? We should be very proud. Is it or not? We should be very proud to our country, and we should be very proud to be an Indian. We should be very proud to be an Indian. So let us make some other children's here. To frame the question, we use these words. Without these words, we can't frame the questions. We can't frame the questions. Is it or not? These words are called WH words. These words are called WH words. Why we call it? To start with WH only. That's why we call it as WH words. So what, why, where, which, when, who, how. These words are called WH words. So once again I will recall you. First simply write down. To frame any question, you have to know these meanings. So like that, what is your name? Is it or not? Here what is that? What? What is that? What? So what is your name? What's your dress color? Like that we have to frame how many, so much of questions. Why? Why means reason. Why means reason. Why you want to become a scientist? Why you are standing like this? Why you are late to the school? Like that we have to frame question. That is, why means it's give cause, reason. Very good. Next, where? This gives the position. This gives the position. Where are you going? Where are you going? Like this. Where? This gives the points from one point to another point. I came from Delhi to Anantapur, like this. Where? Which? That means which one? So do you like apple or do you like banana? Like this. Which fruit do you like? So like this. To choose something, we have to use this question. When happens, that is when gives the, that is frame, when you use this when, it indicates time and situation. Time and situation. That is where, when do you come to school? In the morning or afternoon or like that. Okay. Who means your identity. Who are you? I am a children. I am a teacher. Like this. It gives the identity. It tells about us. That is, who are you? Animal or bird or teacher or doctor or children, like that. Next, how? It gives the number. How many children are there? How many scientists are there? How many Indian scientists are there? How many foreign countries scientists are there? Like that. It gives the how much members present in the class. Generally, how many members listen the classes? How many students are there? Like this, to frame that type of question, we use how. These are all start with WH. This one is only how. It starts with how. So these are called very important. That is WH. To frame questions, we use these. What, why, where, which, when, who, how. So So in the next class also, I have to frame the questions with the using WH words. So I think all of you listen carefully. Now note down. So you have to frame questions using these words. Okay, children? Okay, I think, is there any doubts? You have to write down in the next page. In the next class, I will clarify your doubts. Okay, first remember. So now in this class, we know the importance of great scientist. Great scientist. So scientists are such a great person who survive our country. Okay, so I think everybody also thinking about how to become a scientist also are there. So like that. Here, now for our class, the great scientist is whom? Our lion. This is not lion. This is our elephant. How he survival his bad pandemic situation, he with his enthusiasm and the remember of his king, he come across the situation. Like that we also, with that courage, with this enthusiasm, with this happiness, we will come across any bad situation and we will become a great person to our mother, parents, society and the country. Okay children, thank you. Once again, happy with your class or not. So can I leave the class with your permission? Okay children, thank you for this class.